Here we are at the Future Ready Center. What you're looking at today is this is our drone soccer arena here. And so tonight we have a matchup between North and Northwest. It's the first of its kind in our district. So this drone soccer program is kind of an extension of esports, and it's something we're piloting at 3 schools. And we're just seeing if the interest level is there. We're having a great time with it, and kids are learning a lot about drones, flight, aerodynamics, and they actually have a team that works together, so a lot about that.
I originally got into drone soccer because of my coach, because she also does robotics and I was involved in robotics, and when she proposed drone soccer to me, I just jumped on the opportunity.
I did robotics in middle school, and well, they didn't have it here, and they recently introduced this program, and I was like, well, I might as well give it a shot.
With the cage, keeps it safer. It's also how with the U.S. drone soccer, which is what we'll hopefully eventually compete in. It's in a cage and you're trying to get the drone through a hoop. You have defenders, and so it's 2 teams going against each other. That, like the national U.S. drone soccer, you'll have 5-on-5. Tonight we'll be trying 3-on-3 or even 4-on-4, different kind of competitions.
In 3, 2, 1, begin.
So you have one that is your striker, and that's the one that's trying to get to the goal, and then you have some of the other support drones that are playing defense or goalie. So similar to soccer, but flying a drone in the air trying to get through a goal.
A striker is like, think of it as when the person who has the ball in soccer and they're trying to make a goal. That's what basically a striker is in the game, but you always are the ball and you're always trying to make the goal.
These are not easy to fly. They're very technical, so it's not like you just can pick it up and get it to go through the goal. It's a lot of learning, changing your settings, trying different things, and that's one of the great parts about the program.
I don't have to run. That's fun. It's definitely a lot different because you're not actually in the match and you're just controlling elements of the match. And so it's still all that team-based and everyone's like working together, but it's definitely not as physical. There's less contact because drones are just trying to get through the goal and then block.
The controls are very weird because like you have this one button that's like turtle mode, which means there's a possibility the drone will flip upside down. And that's something you don't want to happen. And the amount of control you have to have with it, the speed that you put your coding to with the drones, it's pretty difficult.
You'll also have people on the team that might be in charge of getting the batteries ready because there's a lot of recharging. The coach cannot touch the drones during the competition, so part of it is they have to learn how to repair the drones. If one goes down during competition, they got to get it and get it repaired or get a sub in there.
My favorite aspect is flying the drones, mostly because it's a cool piece of machinery. You get to fly them, they're fast, and I think also the team aspect of being able to play with some of my friends and be able to score and just have a good time.
I like the fun flying part. Technical is what my friend does.
I like drone soccer because I feel like it really gets you out of your shell. It's just like a whole different new type of sport that I've never really heard about until now. It just shows you how to really work with your hands and like code and learn from your mistakes and how to make it better.
That's a great part of this program is you learn about drones, you learn about the FAA, and you learn just safety, especially with the batteries, and we make that a priority.
I will definitely continue playing drone soccer. Hopefully bring the team to go to nationals one day.
The nationals is sometime in February, and so you're kind of getting up to that point in the fall. But for now, we're learning. We're all kind of learning this program together. That's kind of what this is all about, is just getting some teams together, trying a competition, and seeing what happens.